Hey, subscribe to WheelShift 2.0 for more.
This is the 2026 Toyota Thunderbird 12x12, a truck so powerful, so advanced, and so completely self-sufficient that people are already calling it the ultimate survival machine. And trust me, you have never seen anything like this before in your life. Welcome back to WheelShift 2.0, where we bring you the most incredible machines ever built. Today, we are diving deep into this absolute beast. This is not just a truck. This is a rolling fortress, a military-grade survival machine built to take you and your family through anything this world throws at you. So buckle up, because this is gonna blow your mind. Let's start with the exterior. The moment you lay eyes on this thing, you instantly know this is not your average truck sitting in a dealership lot. The overall body comes in a full matte black military-style finish, with armored angular panels and carbon fiber diamond plate running across the body. Every single line, every single angle on this truck was designed with one purpose: dominance. Now the front face. Front and center, you've got the bold Toyota branding stamped across that massive windshield in large white letters. Below that, the centerpiece of the entire front end is this jaw-dropping turbine-style front grille. Circular, aggressive, and looking like something taken straight from a military aircraft engine. Nothing else on the road looks even close to this. Flanking that grille, you've got multiple LED cube lights, a full roof-mounted LED light bar, and a cluster of high-powered spotlights up top. Enough lighting to turn the darkest trail into broad daylight. At the bottom of that reinforced steel bumper, you've got the TB badge, the Thunderbird nameplate, and heavy-duty orange recovery shackles on both corners. The Thunderbird rides on custom Thunder C10 branded off-road tires with one of the most aggressive tread patterns you've ever seen. This truck runs on a 12x12 configuration with 6 massive wheels on each side, giving you 12 wheels in total, gripping the ground at all times. Now let's step inside, because this is where the Thunderbird completely changes the game. Toyota didn't just build a truck, they built a complete survival world inside it. There is a spacious and comfortable seating area, perfect for long journeys with your family. There is a full king-size bed for proper rest and bunk beds, above for extra travelers. Running across the ceiling is a full-length panoramic skylight that keeps the cabin feeling open and alive. The kitchen is fully equipped for real meals on the road. A 6-burner gas cooktop, a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, and a commercial-grade espresso machine on the counter. You can park this truck deep in the desert and live out of it for weeks without stepping into a single store. And yes, there is a full, proper bathroom too, and honestly, it looks better than most hotels. But here's where it gets truly insane. Underneath the living area, there is an actual basement bunker built into this truck. This underground compartment runs the Thunderbird's power systems, 8 independent battery units, dual power inverters, an onboard generator, pressure systems, and a water tank. You can park this thing in the middle of nowhere, completely cut off from the world, and still run every single system inside this truck for weeks without connecting to any external power source. This truck is built to keep you powered, connected, and safe no matter what is happening outside. Now let's get behind the wheel. The driver cockpit in this truck feels like you're commanding a military operation. Premium quilted leather seats with a 4-point racing harness and a red push-button release. The dashboard is wrapped in carbon fiber with an overhead panel loaded with toggle switches that give this cockpit a full aircraft-style feel. The Toyota badge steering wheel is packed with multifunction controls, and behind it sits a clean dual analog and digital instrument cluster. Center stage is a large widescreen touchscreen running full satellite GPS navigation with a dedicated comms radio unit sitting right next to it. The center console has a heavy-duty gear shifter, wireless phone charging pad, dual cup holders, and multiple USB ports. Everything here gives you complete control and total confidence on any road. Now let's talk power. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Thunderbird 12x12 is running a heavy-duty diesel engine, delivering torque figures between 1200 and 1500 and 1500 power, ESS and 500 lb-ft. That's the kind of power that climbs steep grades, pushes through mud, crushes sand dunes, and powers through snow-covered terrain without hesitation. And here's what makes this truck truly future-ready. It is fully convertible to electric. With fuel prices constantly rising, Toyota engineered this truck so the entire powertrain can go full EV. Once converted, the Thunderbird can cover between 500 to 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. You're never stranded. You're never dependent on a gas station again. The 2026 Toyota Thunderbird 12x12 was built for people who refuse to be caught off guard, families who want to explore without compromising on safety, comfort, or independence. The adventurer, the survivalist, the road warrior who understands that being prepared isn't paranoia, it's smart thinking. This isn't just a vehicle you drive, it's a machine you rely on, a fortress on wheels, a command center in motion. Whether you're crossing highways, tackling extreme terrain, or parked in the middle of nowhere, the Thunderbird is designed to keep you in control. It's a military-grade beast built for resilience, a luxury home designed for comfort, a self-sufficient power station built for independence, and an unstoppable off-road machine that turns impossible landscapes into open roads. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button right now and drop a comment below telling us what you think. Would you take the Thunderbird on an epic cross-country adventure or push it to its limits off the beaten path? We want to hear your thoughts. Subscribe to WheelShift 2.0 so you never miss a video, and join us as we explore the most insane, powerful, and futuristic machines on the planet.
Hi! Subscribe to WheelShift 2.0 for more.